All right, guys, it's Friday. Tonight we were supposed to go race Doe Run. Doe Run got canceled because of rain, so still got the car loaded up because Fayette County, Brownstown Bullring is supposed to race tonight. They're still gonna race, so we're gonna shoot over there and see what we can do. Last time we went there, we finished 8th. Car felt good, but then I just need to learn how to drive better on that track when it gets slick. So hopefully tonight we can do a little better. We actually have the car with updates, camber, spacers and everything on the front just to help make it turn better. So hopefully that will help me out tonight, and we'll see where we get finished. But like I said, car is loaded up, got it cleaned up. We still yet to put the Hue bar in there. I think we're gonna go down tomorrow, and Joey Laws is gonna help me out and put that in the car, so it'd be nice to have. But we're gonna run the small tires there. We didn't have small tires last time we were down at Brownstown, so we'll see how it goes. Next time I see you guys will probably be at Brownstown, so talk to you guys then. All right, we made it to Brownstown. At the racetrack. I'm here with my brother-in-law Frankie. He says I had to outdo him because I drew pill number 1, so we'll start on the front for heat race. So we'll see you out there for heat race. Alright guys, so it worked in our favor to draw pill 1. We started on the front row of heat number 1. It was taking the top 4 out of all 4 heats, and it worked in my favor, and I took off and I won the heat. So I believe it was Clayton Stanfield was behind me. Bradley won the second heat, so he starts on the front row next to me for the feature. So we're starting on the pole for the feature. Hopefully we get this done. I was also in another questioning myself with tire size again. We were thinking about going to the smaller tires, and then I rewatched the video from last time with big tires and noticed it looked pretty good, and the top was working well here, so we ended up running with the big tires again. We have yet to try the small tires, but good choice. The car ran really good, so handling good, but hopefully we can stay out in front of these guys. A lot of fast guys here. These guys don't play around down here, so I'll see you guys after the feature. All right, it's Saturday morning, guys. I got the car still loaded up. We got home at 2 o'clock last night. Thank you to FFR group for supporting me. 111 for sponsoring the car, and especially Travis Fleming for allowing me to build this car and drive it. This car wouldn't be out on the track if it wasn't for him. I mean, this is all his stuff. He's allowing me to drive it. I'm upkeeping it, and it's doing good. We built a really good car. I know a lot of people probably don't like this car by now because of how well it's doing, but this is something that anybody can go out there and build. It's not difficult. Very simple car. Not much is done to this, and it just works. So if anybody wants to build one like this, let me know. I'll help you out. It's nice to have these cars out there. We need more of them. They're fast. They kind of push the envelope up pretty good. It's hard to beat them, but last night, Brownstown started on the pole, led every lap until the one that mattered. Just kind of had a little mess up in 1 and 2. I like half thought I was going to run the bottom because I knew that's where they were coming, because that track usually does pretty good on the bottom. And I pushed up tight in 1 and 2, and then Dave Lorison rolled underneath me, and then by that time he had enough momentum to beat me, which fastest lap time of the whole night was his on that last lap, on the one that counted. So congratulations to him winning that race. Other than that, not much to say about that. Finishing second's not too bad. Last time I went down there, I ran 8th. I didn't feel comfortable, and I felt comfortable in the car. I just didn't feel like I knew what I was doing at that track. So last night proved to me that I could go up there and run with them guys. So we'll definitely be back sometime this year. Little damage report. Little scrape in the door, nothing too major. This recorder, somebody kind of got into it. Nothing bad, but little recorder damage. So we'll put some plates over that just so this bumper don't fall off. We'll get it painted, get it looking good, so we can go back to Peevely tonight, where we are leading points. Hopefully to keep doing good there, keep up with points, and we'll see how we do. Hopefully the bad word, the rain stays away and we can go run. All right, guys, a little update on the car. We don't have a seat in the car because Joey here, down here at Joey's shop,
he's got a Fred Flintstone this.
Tell him what your shop is.
Checkered Flag Auto Sales.
All right, well, it's also race car shop, as you could tell. We don't want to show you guys any secrets, but Joey put a Q-bar in the car, so
Phil welded it.
I welded it, yeah. So if it breaks, it's all my fault. But he just cut the metal. So, but thank you, Joey, for helping us out and making this car even more safer, especially after James's rollover scared a lot of people. So
a lot.
We'll making these cars a little safer. Now we need to get some plate, he says, and plate in the door. I agree with that too, because there ain't much between me and that except for the bars. So they can get hit and crushed. So next time you'll see this car, I guess we'll be. I think we're gonna run Tri-City. You going? Joey says I'm not allowed to go to Tri-City. He said I should go run Doe Run.
Actually, he's lying to everybody. He's going to Doe Run. I'm going to Tri-City. We're gonna take Hondas out everywhere.
All right. So we'll see where I show up. So at a track near you. All right. Bye. You guys can comment on this. Let me know what you think about the car. Like this video and share it. Share it with everybody. It's always fun to see how many views we get on these things. We don't have many, but we'll get it there. So if you guys can do all that, or like K9 likes to says, or else.